Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be checking out list of top 5 best Dolby Atmos soundbars of 2021. If you'd like to upgrade your home theater sound without drilling any holes in your ceiling or turning your living room into the speaker version of Stonehenge, then you'll be pleased to know that with the help of a Dolby Atmos soundbar, you can enjoy truly immersive film screenings from the comfort of your home without any clutter or dodgy D. The best soundbars have become wildly popular because they make this upgrade so simple. To help, we put together this list of the best soundbars we've tested, including soundbars sold on their own, as well as models that come bundled with a subwoofer. We've also compiled some advice on how to make the most of your purchase. For further information, you should check the links in description below. Okay, so let's get started with video.
The Denon home speakers have been highly awarded by press for sound quality and HEOS network function. I'm very happy that Denon now launches a soundbar as part of the Denon home family. Starting with the size, compared to traditional soundbars, the 550 is small. So if the area around your TV is limited, no worries. The 550 can fit perfectly and does not bother your interior. Denon is known as home cinema specialist, and that's why the 550 features immersive 3D sound from Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. You can select the sound mode from music, movie, pure and night, and even enhance dialogue clarity. On top of the HEOS built-in streaming functions and the HDMI eARC for the TV, there are additional inputs. This gives you more options to connect your sources. And there is no need to connect the devices all the way up to the TV. Thanks to AirPlay, you can listen to YouTube sound from the 550 just by enabling AirPlay on your iOS device. The installation is easy. Just connect the soundbar with the included HDMI cable to the TV, set up the network connection, and done. Now you can enjoy the Denon home sound. However, what you can get is more than usual soundbar. Now let me operate the new Denon Home Soundbar 550. You can select the input source from the remote control and the HEOS app easily. You can also quickly play, pause and volume up and down on the touch control panel of the soundbar. When Alexa is available, you can ask Alexa to control the volume or send commands like Alexa, play music, or Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:06 p.m.
It seems it's time to end my video. But before I finish, I have to add one more thing. Now, if you even want more impressive surround sound, you can build a real 5.1 surround system by adding any pair of Denon home speakers and HEOS-enabled subwoofer. Okay, it's time to round up the video. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, just ask me. And for now, enjoy Denon home.
Klipsch Soundbars. TV can sound so much better. Let's face it, today's TVs look great, but their sound is as thin as they are, underwhelming and disappointing. Klipsch reference soundbars are ready to change the game. With the Klipsch RSB6 and its slightly larger cousin, the RSB11, the choice for wildly improved home theater audio is simple. Let's take a closer look. The RSB6 features two Klipsch Tractrix horns for crisp highs, two mid-range speakers for clear vocals and soundtracks, easy one HDMI cable connection with 4K Ultra HD pass-through, and built-in Dolby audio decoding for crystal clear sound. And of course, an auto-connecting wireless subwoofer with a 6.5-inch downward-firing woofer for earth-shaking, cinema-like bass. Tie it all together with the included remote, and you're ready to enjoy TV sound that's full and clear. For those with a TV that's 50 inches or larger, or a bigger space, check out the RSB11. It's also got the detailed, impactful sound that Klipsch is known for, plus 3 HDMI inputs, 4K Ultra HD video pass-through, super easy setup, an included remote, and an amazing 8-inch wireless subwoofer that looks great in any room. Both soundbars have Bluetooth compatibility, so you can listen to tunes from phones, computers, and other audio devices. And they both have virtual surround sound, dialogue enhance, and night listening modes, as well as options for wall mounting or placement on TV furniture, and lots more. It's simple. Klipsch reference soundbars with wireless subs have the flexibility, easy setup, and big room-filling power to make your TV sound as good as it looks. Klipsch, keepers of the sound.